HIX.ai for sponsoring this portion of the video. HIX Article GPT helps you to write hallucination-free, fact-based and SEO-friendly articles, and I'll show you guys how you can generate an article using ArticleGPT. First, you'll need to describe your topic, then provide with a primary and a secondary keyword. You can also select the tone of your voice and point of views, after which it will give you references from Google. You can click on what references you want and add it to the article. Then it gives you options for your title where you can choose, or you can write your own title, after which it gives two outline where you can choose from. Once that's done, you can easily generate an article. A full complete article with title and reference will be generated within minutes, which is 100% accurate. Along with general article, you can also generate news article, single Amazon product review, how to guide an Amazon product roundup. So I'll provide all the links in the description box down below, so make sure to check it out.